today.
I'm so honored here today.
To be with you all and say,
To be with you all and say,
we are starting oh so high.
we are starting Osuokhay.
The roundelay of Sakha.
The roundelay of Sakha.
Let us speak out from the soul.
Let us take out from the soul.
Our best regards to all.
Our best regards to all.
May your inner mind be free.
May your inner mind be free.
May your breath be long and deep.
May your breath be long and deep.
Always live your life in peace.
Always live your life in peace.
Live your life in harmony.
Live your life in harmony.
And let's all embrace in love.
And let's all embrace in love.
Melt the ice inside your heart.
Melt the ice inside your heart.
Make your body strong and hard.
Make your body strong and hard.
Make you beautiful and smart.
Make you beautiful and smart.
Let deep wisdom grow up.
Let deep wisdom grow up.
Wisdom that lives deep inside.
Wisdom that lives deep inside.
May you be from now on
May you be from now on.
good looking, clever and strong.
Good looking, clever and strong.
May you always live in peace.
May you always live in peace.
Let your mind be clean and free.
Let your mind be clean and free.
Let us wish to all our friends
Let us wish to all our friends.
kind regards and all the best.
Kind regards and all the best.
We all dance and sing today.
We all dance and sing today.
Universal roundelay.
Universal roundelay.
Dance is energizing us.
Dance is energizing us.
It is filling us with love.
It is filling us with love.
We all have to realize
We all have to realize
that the universe is one.
that the universe is one.
It wants love from all of us.
One's love from all of us.
So space could be lightened up.
So space could be lightened up.
We are having round dance,
We are having round dance.
and the light surrounds us.
And the light surrounds us.
Due to our dance today,
To our dance today.
the world became a better place.